Hello and welcome to JH Official Voice Education. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential topic for crypto users: how to verify the authenticity of your seed phrase and ensure it's written correctly. This is crucial for securing your digital assets, so stay with us till the end for complete insights. Segment 1: What is a seed phrase? First, let's understand what is a seed phrase. A seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase, is a sequence of 12, 18, or 24 words provided when you create a cryptocurrency wallet. This phrase is the key to accessing your funds if you lose your wallet or device. In simpler terms, it's like the master key to your digital vault. Losing it or writing it down incorrectly can lead to permanent loss of your funds. Segment 2: Why verifying the seed phrase is critical. Verifying your seed phrase ensures it is authentic and matches the phrase generated by your wallet. This step is crucial to avoid errors while recovering your wallet in the future. Many users accidentally misplace or write incorrect words, which makes recovery impossible. Segment 3: Steps to verify your seed phrase. Now, let's talk about how you can verify and ensure your seed phrase is correct. 1. Cross-check during wallet setup. When setting up your wallet, most apps will ask you to re-enter the seed phrase. Take your time and ensure each word matches exactly, including the sequence. 2. Use the wallet's backup verification feature. Many wallets offer a feature to test your backup phrase. Use this feature immediately after noting down your phrase. 3. Write it down clearly. Use a reliable medium like a notebook. Avoid digital storage to reduce hacking risks. Double-check the spelling of every word and the sequence. 4. Test restoration. If possible, use a secondary device to test if the seed phrase can successfully recover your wallet. This ensures that the backup is correct and functional. Segment 4: Best practices to safeguard your seed phrase. Here are some additional tips to protect your seed phrase. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Avoid storing it digitally, like in emails or on cloud storage. Consider keeping multiple copies in secure, separate locations. Use fireproof and waterproof storage solutions, such as metal wallets, to safeguard against physical damage. Segment 5: Warning about scams. A quick warning: if anyone asks for your seed phrase, it's a scam. No legitimate service or wallet provider will ever ask for it. Stay vigilant. To sum up, verifying and safeguarding your seed phrase is a small but vital step to ensure the safety of your cryptocurrency assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Education for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.